As of 2025, Live Good is considered one of the best network marketing companies that meets your criteria. Why Live Good? No monthly auto ship required, affordable membership, only $9.95 month or $99 year. It's crazy not to be here. Low startup cost, around $50 to get started, membership plus affiliate fee one time only, and Business International is good to go. Lifetime, high quality health and wellness products, organic, clean and in demand globally. Earn from retail, matrix commissions and referrals. Global opportunity, ships to 200 countries. No pressure to recruit. You can earn from spillover and product sharing. What to look for in a good company. No forced product purchases or quotas. Global scalability. Compensation plan that rewards product movements and team building, digital tools and training. Trending product categories like sleep, detox, energy, weight loss, anti-aging and more to come. So if you fit the criteria above, it is here. If you are looking for a side hustle that doesn't drain your wallet or pressure you to recruit, Live Good is a top choice. It's ideal for health-conscious individuals, people looking to earn extra income from home, and even beginners in the networking space. For you to start, here is the link: https://livegoodtour.com/dpme.